In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Opencode with NIM models, free endpoints from NVIDIA. And we are going to check this code that I've written as well to see the best models that you can use from NVIDIA. Obviously, these are free models. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now, Opencode is an open source agent that helps you write and run codes. And with any AI model, it's like a replacement of Cloud Code. You can use many of the commands that we have on Cloud Code, and it's an amazing thing. It's an open source thing that you can use. Go ahead and use this. So Opencode, you can install it on the terminal. We have npm if we want to do this with Node.js. We have Bun installer, Brew for macOS. We have Paru, which is like for Arch Linux. And then we have these different installers. So for Apple macOS, you can go ahead and download these DMG files. We have for Windows. What I will do is I will download for Windows because I'm in a Windows system. If I click on download, we get this exe file, and then I install this exe file. Installing that would help me open up this Opencode. And once I open the Opencode, I have this. Then I need to go ahead and select a particular folder. So open project and open that particular folder, select that folder. Once we're inside the folder, we need to do and select the model, which will come in just a second. But we have this linux.devfile.rpm, and we have extensions as well in the VS Code, Cursor, Z, WindSurf, VS Codium, and you have integrations with GitHub because we are trying to store the code here. And then we have GitLab as well for CI/CD pipelines. So let's go ahead and now go ahead and use this. So what we need to do is let's open up a new session, go here, then go to this manage models, and then connect providers, and then search for NVIDIA. Okay, you can search for NVIDIA here as well. NVIDIA, just click and put in the API key. To get the API keys, we go to build.nvidia.com, create an account, and then go to API keys, and then go to generate an API key, put some name here, and then you can select any interval here. Let's go with 1 hour. Click on generate API key. Take the key, go back and put in the API key here, click on continue, and that's done. So now we can just click here and see the list of models. So we have, for example, we can see we have these models from Opencode, and if you scroll down, you can see these models from OpenRouter. Then you scroll down and you can see the NVIDIA would start. Okay, and here we need to find the model. So now what we need to do is we need to go here and go to the connect providers here, and since we have already connected NVIDIA, we want to search for a particular model that we want. Now in order to use these models, you can see this is OpenRouter, but in order to use the NVIDIA models, you need to turn this on here. So I can turn on JAMA 3 and E2B IT, for example, and for example GLM5 here. But the model that I'm interested in, if I go back, and the model that I'm interested is this Kimi K2 Thinking. And if I go and click on the model, you can see the name of the model, Moonshot Kimi K2 Thinking. So if I go back and search for Kimi K2 Thinking, we have this model, and I switch this on. So once you switch this on, now you can go back and select the model here. So for example, if I have, let's say GLM 5.1 here, you can go back and select this one, which is Kimi K2 Thinking, and you can see that we have all the details on the right. It's NVIDIA Kimi K2 Thinking, allows text, allows reasoning, context limit is 262K, which is really amazing. Just click on Kimi K2 Thinking, and now we have two options here, build and plan. And let's say we go ahead and plan. Hey, we can ask these questions. Hey, what model are we using? So this is forbidden. I think my API key has expired. So I go to manage models again, go to connect providers, and go to NVIDIA. Go ahead and paste in the new API key. I go to API keys here, and then go ahead and generate an API key with some name, and like put it for 1 hour, generate key, copy the key, go back and paste it here and continue. And now we can ask the question again, or you can just click it here, revert message. What model are we using? And you can see that it's really fast. So you can see that I'm currently running on the Kimi K2 Thinking model by Moonshot AI, running on NVIDIA hardware. The exact version is NVIDIA Moonshot Kimi K2 Thinking. And you can see that it took 7 seconds for these to generate, which is really great. And I have done this on a previous video as well. But if you want to find the best model or the fastest model as of now, you can use the code that I will share with you, and you can run that code and find which models are doing the best. So for example, I will share this code with you via GitHub, and what you can do is clone the repo, and then you can see that I have all these models which are listed here, and I want to test this models. So what I can do is that I can run this benchmark.py, or run Python benchmark.py, and you can see that I give this question or this prompt of what is the capital of India, please answer in one sentence. I send this same prompt to all the models that we see in models.json file, and I'm going to use the environment variables here. So you put your own environment variables here, and then you can go ahead and run the benchmark.py. So after it runs, it's going to store the results in results.json file, and then you can go ahead to visualize and right click and open in live server and see the list, see the model that is the fastest as of now. Of course, some models are really fast, but they don't really work with Opencode, or they don't have that strong agentic capabilities. So you need to be mindful of that as well. For example, Kimi K2 is really good. You can use this model, 2.3 tokens per second. We can use the solar models as well. But the model that I was testing in the earlier video, you can check out this video where I configured Cloud Code with NIM. We are using this GLM 4.7, and it was really slow. So it definitely took some time to run, and the audience noticed it. So I came up with this, and now we can see the models first and then use it. Also, there's another thing. There is not every model is available on Opencode, so you need to be mindful of that as well. But if you just scroll down and go to this NVIDIA section, and you can see that these are all the models. So you need to turn this on first. Some are free, some are paid. So you need to go to that list, back to that list again, and see the models which are free. And if you want to use a good model, paid model, that's totally fine, but these are very good free models that you can use. Of course, there is a limit to how much you can use it. It supports up to 40 requests per minute. Then it would not accept your prompt, but if you wait for 20-30 seconds, then you can again get started. So if you are working with a long running task, you can maybe span the commands and give it an inherent delay of, let's say, 10 seconds, so that your workflow doesn't throttle the NVIDIA servers here, what they've allowed the limits. So this is Opencode, and this is really similar to Cloud Code. So now let's go ahead and do this build mode again. So Kimi K2 Thinking. Now what you can do is that the functionalities are almost like if you do / we can do init. So this init will help me start up. User wants to create and update the agents.md file. Let's start by exploring. So it's writing and creating the init file, and you can see too many commands, so we need to space the commands a little bit. So you can see in the folder, I don't have anything right now. Okay, it asks me this question: this directory is completely empty. What is the purpose of this directory? A new Opencode NIM project, a generic agents.template. I want a generic template, so I click on submit here, and you can see that it goes ahead. And Kimi K2 Thinking is really good, so it's writing an MD file here. And apart from this, what you can do, we have different, if you just press / you can see the list of different things that you can do here. We have all these skills that we have, for example, video use, hyperframes. These skills I've used in Cloud Code as well, and then I've copied the skills to Opencode, and I use Opencode with local LLMs. So this is what I do. You can add in skills just like Cloud Code. It's really easy, it's really private. So you can see that we have this agents.md file which has been created. And yeah, I now leave it up to you to test this out, test out different models, see if there is any issues, because these are free models which are running, and go ahead and use this because these are amazing. If you want a new model to try out, and if you're really confused which model to use, instead of doing hit and trial, you can go back to run this code and get that visualization of this current speed that we are having right now for all the models from NVIDIA. Take that good speed model, anything above 4 tokens per second, it's really fine for me. You can choose your own limits, but anything 10 tokens or more is really great, and you can go ahead and use these models here. This is how we connect Opencode with free models from NVIDIA. And it's not just like Opencode. You can go ahead to manage the models here, and you can see a whole lot of providers that you can do. You can connect with Google. OpenRouter gives you a whole lot of paid LLMs. Again, there are some free options as well but paid options. And then you can go ahead and connect our custom as well. So in the custom field, you can go ahead and put in the base URL of Ollama running in your own system, base URL of, let's say, Llama CPP running on your own system, base URL of LM Studio running on your own system. So all these interconnections are possible. Opencode is just a replacement of Cloud Code, really local, really private. You can go ahead and use this. Also, as a side note, if you want to take your entire pipeline to the cloud on a VPS, you can see that I have Hostinger, and I have my entire business situated in Hostinger. So for example, you can see the entire website here, my bots, Gmail monitor, and YouTube monitor, everything is running on Hostinger. So check out the links. So if you want to see how to connect Cloud Code with Ollama, with NIMs, with LM Studio, you can check out these videos that I have. I'll see you there.